place and this voice along with the wind to reach the one I love and cherish so much. It's a long time I haven't come to see you. Do you still love and cherish me? From the day I left you until now, even I go to bed but cannot fall asleep, because I miss and cherish you so much. Because I wanna come back and live with you again. Even a meal I cannot eat with any taste. I can't sleep because I miss you so much. Because I wanna come to see you again. So I take these words to tell you, to let you know that I still love and miss you. I will come back to see you very soon. Coming to stay with you, my heart can be fine. I can't sleep because I miss you so much. Because I wanna come to see you again. So I take these words to tell you, to let you know that I still love and miss you. I will come back to see you very soon. Coming to stay with you, my heart can be fine. Coming to stay with you, my heart can be fine. Coming to stay with you, my heart can be fine. Coming to stay with you, my heart can be fine. Coming to stay with you, my heart can be fine.